Welcome to C49 Hockey Breaks, box break number 172. And today, this is my favorite product so far this year. We've got another box of 1920 SPX. This is our 6th box. I probably shouldn't open any more of this after we pulled basically the holy grail rookie superscripts autograph jersey number 8 of 10 Cale Makar. That was 2 6-pack Saturdays ago. So 6-pack Saturday number 57 if you want to go back and watch that if you haven't already. But it is my favorite product so far this year, so let's do another box. 1920 SPX. We got box number 523. Everything is probably going to seem like a disappointment out of SPX after that monster pull, but we'll give it a shot. Four packs, nice quick break. One thing I do like about SPX. Let's get into this one. Seems pretty thick. Top packs both seem very thick. Let's take the bottom packs. First pack, taking off the bottom left for something different. We have a SPX base number 3 of 99, Mitch Marner. Taking off the, I switched that already. So this is the bottom right. Got the top. And I did not turn that quick enough. It looks like a tribute. Barrett Hayden. Very nice. 19 of 99. SPX rookie autograph jersey, Barrett Hayden. From the bottom left pack. So we have our bottom right pack. So we have our top packs left now. Top left. Ryan Paling. Black Obsidian rookies. 54 of 99. Ryan Paling. And our final pack. This is the top right. Pride of the Nation, 22 of 99. Jaromir Jagr, non-auto, unfortunately. 22 of 99, Pride of the Nation, Jaromir Jagr. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this box of 1920 SPX. A decent box in my opinion. Quick recap: Mitch Marner, 3 of 99 base. Barrett Hayden tribute, 19 of 99 autographed jersey. Black Obsidian rookies, 54 of 99 Ryan Paling. And a Pride of the Nation, 22 of 99, unfortunately not autoed, Jaromir Jagr. Well, folks, that's going to do it for this break. If you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so and don't miss future box breaks. 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads.